Why is the rule of law essential for a constitution? Imagine a country where leaders can do whatever they want without consequences. That would be chaos, right? The rule of law keeps that from happening. It is the backbone of any constitution because it makes sure everyone follows the same rules. When laws are clear and known to all, people can trust that their rights will be protected. Without the rule of law, laws could be ignored or twisted to suit those in power. That's why it's so important for a constitution to be built on this principle. The rule of law means laws are made publicly and enforced fairly. It also means laws are applied equally to everyone, no matter if you are a citizen or a government official. This prevents anyone from acting above the law or using power unfairly. An independent judiciary is key here. Judges must interpret laws without bias, making sure laws are followed and rights are protected. This keeps the government in check and stops abuses of power. Knowing your rights depends on the rule of law. It makes sure that government officials cannot violate your rights without facing consequences. If your rights are broken, you can challenge the action in court. This access to justice is what makes constitutional rights real in everyday life. Laws that are clear and fairly enforced give people confidence that their freedoms are safe. The rule of law also supports democracy. It ensures that laws passed by elected representatives are followed and that government actions stay within constitutional limits. This protects freedoms like free speech, fair elections, and the right to a fair trial. It also helps keep society stable and fair by protecting property rights and preventing corruption. When people trust the legal system, they are more likely to participate in democracy and follow the rules. In short, the rule of law is essential for a constitution because it makes sure everyone is held accountable, rights are protected, laws are clear and fair, and courts can resolve disputes. It creates a system where citizens can understand and defend their rights. Without it, governments could act without restraint, rights could be ignored, and justice would be at risk. That's why knowing about the rule of law helps you understand how your rights are protected and why it's a foundation of constitutional governance.